and there's these little holes where this like cool air comes out of, and you can straighten and curl in one pass, and then you can turn on the airflow with this button right here. You guys, my hair feels so soft and thick right now and just like voluptuous. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is very exciting because I'm going to be showing you guys how to get beautiful loose curls with this product that I'm really excited to use. I don't know if you guys saw my last heat styling video, but I did a straightening routine with the Tymo ring straightening brush / comb, and I've mentioned it since. I love that product so much. I feel like they come out with such innovative, unique tools, and I honestly don't understand why more people don't talk about them. So I'm really excited to use the Airflow in this video, which is a newer tool from them, I believe. And this is basically like a straightener and curling iron in one, which is so cool to me. I'm gonna go over it with you guys and show you how to use it and all of that. But I do want to thank Tymo for sponsoring today's video. It's always a pleasure to work with them, and I am so excited to share them with you guys again. So we're gonna go ahead and get into it, but first, if you have not subscribed already, I would really appreciate if you consider doing so. Down below there is a red subscribe button down there, and I do a lot of hair content on this channel as well as some just general beauty and lifestyle content. So if you're interested in that, then I would really appreciate if you would consider sticking around. You can also give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy it, and let's get into the Airflow. So I'm gonna open it up like this, and here you have your little cards, information about the product, and then right here we have the tool. They also send along a heat glove, which is really nice. I also got a heat glove with my straightening brush, as well as some of these little clips that are really nice to clip your hair back and section it when you are styling it. And I might grab my other ones as well in case I need more. This is what it looks like. So obviously it clamps open and there is a straightener there, but it has this really unique feature here on the outside. It's completely round, and there's these little holes where this like cool air comes out of, and you can straighten and curl in one pass, and you get that really smooth effect, and it's supposed to set that curl right away. So basically it is doing two things at once. You have less damage because it is cooling your hair right away. It's so interesting and hard to explain, so I feel like I just need to show you guys. So I'm gonna plug it in. I just think this is also just like such a beautiful, simple, matte aesthetic tool. Like, it's just nice to look at. So to turn it on, I just held down this power button here for a second or two, and it starts heating up, and then you can turn on the airflow with this button right here. You can probably hear it right now. Very cool. And then you can turn it off by pressing that button again. So I'm gonna leave it off for now while it kind of heats up a little bit more. I did already wash and blow dry my hair, and I put some of this IGK Good Behavior spray into my hair while it was still damp. That's what I pretty much always do when I heat style my hair. I use this in my other video as well. I've been using this for a long time, and I feel like it smooths my hair while protecting it from the heat at the same time. It is called a spirulina protein smoothing spray. I will say I think they have a like non-aerosol version of this, because this is an aerosol can and it can kind of like make you cough a little bit if it gets into your nose, but I believe they have a non-aerosol version in case you guys don't want an aerosol can. But anyways, I'm gonna take my hair out of this little braid that I've had it in. I kind of like to do that sometimes after blow drying because I feel like it kind of lessens the frizz a little bit, maybe, so that I can have a nicer base to start with, even though the tool is really what's gonna do all the smoothing. So I'm gonna start to section my hair off from the bottom up. And we'll start right here. I'm just gonna take a fairly small section like I normally would, about that big maybe. Kind of run my fingers through it. I'm gonna turn on that airflow button and then just start smoothing it over my hair. So there is our first little curl. How exciting. Wow, that actually turned out curlier than I thought it would. And once I've done like the first section of my hair, I'll like run my fingers through it to kind of loosen it up a little bit. let's go on to the next piece. Maybe I'll do a slightly bigger section this time, just because I do like a pretty loose curl. Turn that button back on. I didn't want you guys to like have to hear it the whole time. It's not even loud at all. It's just figured I may as well turn it off in between uses. I'm still figuring out the best angle for my arm, but so far so good. Look at those curls. Oh my goodness. And my hair isn't hot to the touch like it usually would be. It's like just a nice, normal, cool temperature. So that's amazing. Okay, so that's the first side of that section done. Wow, I'm already getting the hang of this. I can tell just using it a few times how that got even easier. There's only 4 pieces here. And that was so fast. Oh my word. And you guys, I just realized I totally forgot to put on the heat glove, but to be honest, I don't really feel like I need it because it's not like I've never used a heat tool before. With the straightening brush, I would recommend to use a heat tool because of the type of tool that is. But with this, it's really just shooting out cold air and I'm not getting my fingers in the clamp. So that's why I haven't been using this. I still think this is really, really great to have. It's good quality. And if you feel like you're not as comfortable with heat tools, I think that it's awesome that you get this with it. So don't want to say it's useless. I just realized I forgot to put it on and I don't really feel like I completely need it. Alright guys, so turning that off, I'm going to bring my hair to the front. Look how bouncy and shiny. So I'm first running my fingers through this side just to kind of stretch those out and blend them a little bit better. I'm also really loving how soft my hair feels right now. Alright guys, so there you have it. This is how my hair turned out. If you want to have these big like bouncy curls, which I really like the look of, you could just leave it like this, or you could take a wide tooth comb. I dropped mine on the floor and kind of just like comb through it, which I might do that in a bit. But first I want to go over some things because there's so many good things that I have to say about this. Let me quickly turn the power off. So first of all, one of the things that I noticed right away that really confirmed for me the quality of this product is how my hair was not getting like caught or stuck in it at all. You know how some heat styling tools will like, your hair will get like caught in some random part of it and it will like yank and tug on your hair and it hurts so bad, and you have to be like really careful about how you wrap your hair around it. Whereas this thing, you can kind of just let your hair fall however and just wrap it around because it doesn't get caught and stuck. And the design is just so sleek and smooth, which is so, so nice. Another thing too is if you're curling your hair with a regular straightening iron, you have to clamp it shut when you're going over your hair, which can kind of make your hands tired pretty quickly, whereas this, it clamps shut on its own. So you can open it like this to put your hair in, but once your hair is in there, you just let go and go over your hair and you don't have to clamp it shut the whole time. That was another thing that I didn't really notice until I was like halfway through my hair, but I realized how much easier it was to use and how my hand wasn't getting tired like it normally would if I was curling with a straightening iron. And obviously just the fact that this product is a 2-in-1 in general, like you can use it just to straighten your hair or you can use it to curl your hair, that is so innovative. Like, I really appreciate that. And honestly, the fact that this sets your curl immediately is so nice for multiple reasons. One, your hair is cool to the touch automatically. So when you touch your hair, it's not hot and you can run your fingers through it right away if you want to loosen that curl up instead of having to wait until it cools down. So that's really nice. It's also pretty much impossible to burn your scalp or your fingers with this unless you put your hand like directly in there, because it's literally letting cool air out of the outside. So if you touch it to your scalp, it's not like so hot on the outside. even if it is a bit warm, there's cool air coming out so it doesn't burn your scalp. Like, that's one thing that is so nice about this. And I really do think that setting feature is going to be really nice for you guys that have maybe more fine hair and it tends to fall out of a curl faster, because it's setting it right away. I can tell already that my curls are going to last longer, and I'm someone that doesn't generally have too much of a problem with that because of my hair texture, but I know that a lot of people have an issue with their curls falling out quickly. Maybe they have really fine hair or it doesn't hold well, whatever, and this I feel like is going to help it last longer because it's setting it right away as it's being curled. Really cool idea for a tool, and I love this. I honestly feel like this is such an underrated brand, you guys. Oh my word. I just realized I totally forgot to turn my audio back on for this part of the video because I had turned it off while I was doing the rest of my hair. So apologize if that audio was not great for a little bit, but we're back to it. I'm gonna show you guys my hair from the back. But I am also gonna go ahead now and take my wide tooth comb and just kind of run it through my hair to loosen it up even more. You guys, my hair feels so soft and thick right now and just like voluptuous. That's like the best word I can think of to describe it. Let me show you the back one more time. Alright, you guys, and I think that is going to be it for this video. I just really wanted to show you guys me using this product. I'm so excited to share it with you all, and it will of course be linked down below in the description box. I will also link the Tymo ring straightening brush for you guys, just in case you want to check that out as well. But I think this is really cool because obviously you can do both with it. It just depends how much you like to straighten your hair. If you straighten it more than curl it, that's a great option. So anyways, you guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much to Tymo for working with me again. I am so appreciative of it. So anyways, I really hope that you guys will subscribe if you have not already, and give the video a thumbs up if you did enjoy it, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye.